Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the 2025 new Hero Honda CD Dawn, a legendary name making a powerful comeback. Known for its unmatched durability, fuel efficiency, and budget-friendly ownership, the CD Dawn returns with modern updates while preserving the simplicity and reliability that made it an all-time favorite. The 2025 Hero Honda CD Dawn stays true to its commuter-friendly identity with a clean and timeless design. The bike now features refreshed graphics, a stylish halogen headlamp, and new color options that add a touch of freshness to its classic look. Its lightweight frame and compact dimensions make it easy to handle, especially for daily riders navigating crowded city streets. At the heart of the new CD Dawn is a 97 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine refined with modern technology for improved performance and fuel efficiency. Hero Honda's trusted engineering ensures smooth power delivery and exceptional mileage, making it ideal for everyday commuting. Whether you're riding through busy urban roads or covering long rural distances, the CD Dawn promises consistent performance and low running costs. The 2025 CD Dawn is designed with comfort in mind. Its upright seating position, wide handlebar, and soft cushioned seat provide a relaxed riding experience even during long hours on the road. The telescopic front suspension and twin rear shock absorbers ensure a smooth and stable ride over bumps and uneven surfaces, giving riders confidence on all types of roads. While keeping its practical nature intact, the CD Dawn receives thoughtful updates for modern needs. A clear semi-digital instrument cluster displays essential information like speed and fuel level, while strong drum brakes deliver reliable stopping power. Durable tubeless tires further enhance safety, offering better grip and puncture resistance. The 2025 new Hero Honda CD Dawn is the perfect blend of classic simplicity and modern efficiency. With its proven engine, comfortable ergonomics, and outstanding fuel economy, this motorcycle remains a dependable choice for riders seeking affordability and reliability. Stay tuned to Classic Bike Drive for more updates and detailed reviews on the latest motorcycles arriving in 2025.